Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Welcome people, Dancehall skilla there again once more with some things to talk to you about viewers and subscribers. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Yeah, big up and respect. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person stealing clothes from a store that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. The person had been caught on surveillance camera stealing clothes from a store that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. However, the date on the video that I'm about to present to you might not be accurate enough, viewers and subscribers. You see? But my understanding is that the video had been recorded and surveillance footages had been recorded sometime within the month of March, the year 2022. Alright? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, in this video, you can hear a certain amount of words that can be considered to be harsh language, at least to Jamaicans. You understand me? And I want to tell you what I think about this video because this video is being talked about on social media. Alright? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with my people.
Look on the pole of them up so.
Oh, that's a
yeah.
Oh, you said that them are the deal on
closer, them want.
Them
Dear one, them want.
You want to strike a police the weird of that cat and pole, I go suck your mama. Jesus Christ, it's a man for me.
You have to look by the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, because
don't sport man after I want to run after the pole.
I tell you.
Run after me, see boy that come and say, no man, come back like boy, thief somebody see them. So I go up and my mannequin to say my mannequin them naked. I say no mannequin them. Come back downstairs and I say no, I go. Come on, never come over.
Which
Yes.
Watch it. Them crutches, you know. Him shove the Tommy shirt in them crutches. In this chop knee shop, I take down the pole.
I tell you, Jano.
Is that just that the boy?
One knee for blow, Tommy. Boy, you know.
Real thief, you
Well, the amount of videos me see somewhat similar to this, viewers and subscribers on social media.
I watch on our pre selling nothing else. Like that people coming up to buy. Say now you not pre that. On a Monday to you pre that on a weekend or a Christmas. So boy come right home.
Watch it again.
One more teeth, you know.
And if Alistair, the black and blue Alistair shirt.
It's that I so much shots here one us. So teeth go 4 shots.
So much?
She ain't gone 3 so far.
Okay.
4.
Alright,
so this is now Shane. You have to put this up on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, man.
So you have to do it, you know.
you ain't say what
So you
on
have to
Facebook.
can't believe it.
I tell you.
Can't believe it. God, the boy looking man.
I tell you. Watch out. Look like
And if them get vexed and grab up your bag and go.
Yes,
Yes.
one time I tell him, say, yo, General Point, so when you run so missing, you know. And he start cuss and something.
So it's like the person who would assist him when he go in at the store, you see, because really and truly no. The things them when do, them are going to consider him as posing as a customer. You see, because if you go to a store and go steal from the store, you're not a customer. You go pose as a customer. You see? But on a real, it look away. You can hear somebody say certain things in a video that seems as if the person say, hey, certain things missing. It's rough, I tell my people, it's rough. Yeah man, but if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear where somebody say something about Facebook, you understand? Because this video really and truly get a buzz on social media and viewers and subscribers, you understand? And we get some information as to exactly where this video had been recorded, you understand? Meaning to say that we get information as to what store. But you see, because the information that I got, it's not confirm information, I think it would be best for you to check the comment section of this video, and I will let you know what I know, viewers and subscribers. You see, but it really sad, you know. It really sad to see some position where some people put themselves in. You see, because you see all this right about now, this means a trouble. You understand? Yeah, this means trouble. And that's why I'm going to left that, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about that video. Alright? I'm going to move on to another topic. You see? Viewers and subscribers, Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jacure had been sentenced to 6 years in prison in the Netherlands on Tuesday, the 22nd of March, the year 2022. It is said that he had been convicted of attempted manslaughter. See? Now, for those who might not know, because a lot of people might remember, see, Jacure was taken into police custody in the Netherlands in relation to an alleged stabbing incident involving a promoter sometime last year, the year 2021, of your subscribers. You see? Jacure was sentenced to 6 years in prison with credit of time served. See? So it's like the court didn't find him guilty of attempted murder. And his claim of self-defense had been rejected by the court, viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? So Jacure legal team can and may choose to appeal the court ruling in the Netherlands Court of Appeal, of viewers and subscribers. As I say, but remember now, Jacure and prosecutor can also appeal within certain time if both prosecutor and Jacure legal team or Jacure himself don't really agree with the ruling. You understand me, as viewers and subscribers? And in my point of view, this ruling where Jacure get 6 years sentence in the Netherlands prison, well, in my point of view, I don't think he's going to agree with that. You see what I say? But here's the next thing now, viewers and subscribers. Jacure had been taken into police custody and was facing charges. That's all? Yeah, well, Jacure was taken into police custody facing charges that are said to be attempted murder, attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault in relation to the alleged stabbing incident that involves the promoter, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Look, I have to really and truly tell it like it is. I can't really tell you more than it is, viewers and subscribers, but it really sad fear these things. Remember Jacure do time of prison already, you know, my people. See, and then now this. See, but anyways, make we get an understanding more from this in a further date, if possible, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, I forgot left this right here, so you see me, I wish the best and hope the best for Jacure. And it's really rough. Anyways, my people, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can tell me what you think about the things that I just said. You see? Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that a man from within the country that is known as United States of America, who goes by the name of Daniel Attaway, was told by his father to get a job or move out. And according to the context of those news articles, viewers and subscribers, I assume that the move out part means move out of the house where the father was living at, or the home where the father was living at. Notice I said was, no, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Because according to more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the person who goes by the name of Daniel Attaway had been arrested and charged after he had reportedly shot and killed his father. And he had been sentenced to at least 25 years in prison in the United States of America sometime within the year 2022. I also got the understanding that the incident happened sometime within the year 2018. It is said that the father had been shot and killed in the basement of the family home, viewers and subscribers. Now, details as to how exactly the incident happened, I don't want to say it in this video, but you can ask me in the comment section. You see what I say? And the thing about it, viewers and subscribers, you understand, is that It is reported that Attaway admitted to committing the crime to his mother and sister, and that he's going to spend 25 years in prison, during which he will be required to undergo mental health supervision. According to at least one of those news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that Daniel Attaway was charged with malice murder, felony murder, aggravated assault with intent to commit murder, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. And I also got information that Daniel Attaway is in his 20s at least when the incident happened. You see? Yeah, it is said that he used a gun from his family's weapons collection, viewers and subscribers. Hey, people, that's why me no like guns, you know. Now, so me no like guns, man. Me no like guns. You think a 1, 2, or 3 times me hear about guns in family homes, and somehow somebody from the family got shot. I have heard about similar incidents, might not be exactly like this one that I'm talking about, but similar incidents where there are guns at family homes in different news reports, and someone somehow got shot. Some lose their lives, some did not. But me don't like guns. Not around my family. No. No way. You understand? Anyways, my people, so yeah, so I'm gonna left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about the things that I told you. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'll see you again.